Welcome to Greenwick Globals, where the world's finest cardamom originates from the most enchanting Bodinaikanur plantation. Delve into a world of tantalizing aromas and discover the well-kept secrets of green cardamom. Greenwick Globals, a fusion of nature's finest and the heart of traditional excellence. At our esteemed company, when it's come to cardamom cleaning, we have adopted the latest and the most advanced color sortex. Through this, we guarantee a superior and visually appealing product for our valued customers. We by introducing our advanced grading system, which incorporates cutting-edge algorithms and sensors to meticulously analyze each cardamom pod, ensuring that only the finest and most uniform ones make it to our esteemed customers. Our seamless export to doorstep service ensured that our premium cardamom reaches customers all over India promptly and with the utmost care, guaranteeing a delightful experience from purchase to delivery. Greenwick Globals stand as a beacon of excellence in the cardamom industry. Our commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction set us apart. Greenwick Globals, where passion for perfection meets the warmth of tradition.